guys, this is Ken from TechOpened back again with another video, this time to show you a product from FYY. So this is a case company and they kindly sent me this case to review on the channel. What it is, it's basically a company based in China, but they do produce quality products. So it's, you know, they have phone cases, laptop cases, iPad sleeves and whatnot, but these are all high quality products made in leather. They don't use any of those cheap materials, they use high quality material. So this might be a nice option if you're looking at something a little bit more high quality. Their prices are pretty competitive, and based on the quality of the products. And I'm gonna check out this case, which is for my Note 10 Plus. So I told them I had a Note 10 Plus, and they sent me this little sample. So you can see here on the front of the box, you have FYY since 1998 leather expert. I'm going to place the link of their website so you can check out the products that they have available if you're interested in getting this. This particular case isn't the kind of case that I would buy for myself, but nonetheless, it is high quality, and I'm really curious to check it out. So let's just open this up. It comes in this little cardboard box. You have some of the details already here on the back. You have the social media and the QR code if you want to read this. And as soon as you open the box, you're faced with the case right here. So this is a flap case. It has this little flap and a magnetic little closure that you can see closes like this. And you can see they actually send this little sample, which is real leather. This is true leather, and you can see they actually have a little card here that explains the smell of leather is normal after being processed. Yes, it does smell like leather. I can smell it already. It smells like pure leather. So it's a high quality product, at least in the material aspect. And you can see you can also store some cards here, some business cards, credit cards, whatever. You can stick some money in here as well. And this also folds out like this, so you can use this as a smartphone stand as soon as you have your phone here. It's still a little bit rigid because it's brand new. You can see it bounces back because it's really new. It has this little crease here on the back. You can see the cutouts for the phone right here. And it feels really nice, really premium. So, so far it looks pretty awesome. And I'm gonna place the phone here so you can check this out, how it looks. And you can also see there's this little opening here to help you slide the cards out. But like I said, this is all really stiff because it's brand new. They send these little leaflets as well. I don't know if there's anything here. Maybe the range of products, I guess. Let's just open this and see. Oh, it's a little thank you note. So you can see the little touch here, which is more than welcome. And also a little thank you card here. And pretty awesome. So like I said, it's not the kind of case that I would buy for myself. I do have flip cases, but they're not something that I would personally buy right away. But given the quality of it, like I said, again, I'm stressing that because I really feel it's a high quality product, especially because of the smell. It smells like real leather. It is leather. It definitely smells like real leather. And then you have this little magnetic flap to hold it securely into place. I'm going to put the phone here so you can see this a little bit better, how it looks. So guys, now you can see the case applied on the phone, and it looks really nice. So you can see here, the ports are really nicely free. Everything's nicely fitted. You have all this protection here on this side, all around as well. Here on the sides also. The buttons are clicky. Everything works perfectly, as you can see. Here on the top part, you can see the ports also are free here. And you can also set this up like this. If you want to watch a video on your phone, you can easily watch a video on this. And this is what it looks like from the rear. So it looks really nice. High quality, premium. And the smell of leather makes it even feel more premium. Doesn't feel like plastic or cheap. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you really like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll really help me out. And if you're interested in getting this product for yourselves, check out the links in the description. I will put the links there if you're interested in getting it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.